Hello? Hello? Hello, are there any investigators here today? My name is Watson. Oh man!
I'm here.
Look at that, chat. It's... What's your name, mythical creature?
I am, Inawa.
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 I work at branch number 537.
Inawa.
KFP.
Of KFP. Or would it be... Oh, I see. Maybe that's the language you speak at KFP. Oh?
Oh? Oh my god, is that...
Could it be?
It is?
Nice to meet you. I am Deb's apprentice, or Takanashi Kaliara.
Kaliara. Wow. What is it? It smells like fish in here. Is that one of you? I smell
Smells
fish.
like unwashed hoodie.
What?
Is that so?
Yeah.
Who could it be? Smelling like unwashed hoodie.
Oh man, I wonder who it could be too. Oh man, guess who it is? It's the one, the only, Guraya-P. Guraya-P. Do it, do Wait, where is everyone? Okay. Hey, what's up? My name is Guraya-P. Number one shark VTuber on the planet Earth. Uwu memes, and middle finger.
I mean, we're all supposed to be here on time, so I don't know where.
I don't know.
Is she late? Oh,
She
oh my
could be.
god, what the fuck?
Oh my
No
word!
way.
Watson!
Watson!
Watson! What did we tell you about getting in the suit for the stream, Watson? Oh, camera's not on. There we go.
Made it safe.
All the way from Halifax, Watson. Very nice. Can you breathe
Where
in
did
that
you
thing?
leave the staff member? She's not talking. Are you okay? But I guess that's realistic, because Small Ame in the festival also didn't speak at all.
Yeah.
That's Watson in the
The
suit.
other way.
We gotta move the show on,
It was
Watson.
her all along.
Watson, take the suit. Take the hat off at least, so we can
playing.
say your Jiko
Stop
Shokai.
playing. Take that off. Take that off. We want to see the real Ame.
Yeah.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
Take it off.
Take it off. Take it off.
Take it
Oh my God!
Oh my! Holy shit!
Oh dear!
Whoa, is there nothing in there?
Yabe!
Oh, just kidding.
Oh dear! This
Hi,
is an emergency!
Ame desu. Wa-san.
Cute.
Hello, Takudachi.
Wow. Wow. Da-da, da-da. Wow, look at those
Ame is
exposed foot.
Cute.
So
She's actually
cute.
filling out the top part of the dress.
That's true! For the first time ever. No offense, Ina.
Excuse me.
You're gonna stretch it out. Ina's not gonna be able to wear it anymore.
Yeah, it's gonna be really loose.
Oh
You
no.
know,
You
you're
can
still-
store cookies in there. You can stuff stuff in there. You know?
There's a whole couple that love flat.
They're
so
gonna
it's okay.
taste like
Don't
boob
worry about
sweat.
it.
Cute. Your color palette works really well with this. The orange.
that's
It matches your hair.
Belly button, belly button.
Tummy
belly button.
window.
Oh boy.
Wow.
Wait, can I poke?
We'll touch the tummy.
Oh.
Poke.
Oh boy.
Bubblegum, like bubblegum colors.
Oh my
Yummy.
god, hold on, I got this. Hey guys! Thanks
Perfect.
for tuning into my stream. Do you guys like memes?
Oh dear.
Big jokey wokies?
Is that all I am to you?
Ooh, ooh, no.
No, don't
it's
say the
just a
ooh. Don't.
signature-
I mean, actually, yeah, you
No, it's just a signature part of you. All right,
can. That's
look.
true.
But there are many other fantastic qualities. Like I can sing
Oh.
very beautifully and like
No, stop.
softly. Listen to my reflect. Hold on.
No, please continue.
on.
Please continue. Please shit on me.
No.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Whose turn is it for?
It's good. Good suffering. I might have to drop this week. Yeah, I can't do this anymore. Are you not completely stretched out? I'm so stretched.
Give me the win.
Left foot green. Oh God!
Give up.
I
gosh.
Thank you.
Nice. Go.
No, better not be.
He's dancing in front
Alright,
of
here I
us.
go.
No,
She's gonna
we're
spin
not
the
gonna
wheel.
do that.
Oh no!
Oh!
Oh no. You.
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh. That's like the
Quick!
hardest one.
Change to Watson Cam! Oh dear!
Never mind. I see. I get it now.
Oh dear. Don't worry, I can probably... I can fix that.
Is your feet gonna?
No, my feet are in my shoes.
This is how big they are.
No, those are definitely Garrett's feet.
Excuse
Yeah.
me.
Who else would you model them off of, you know? Come on, boys.
Give it something good. What if the Reaper dies?
Oh!
Oh!
No! Oh, the irony! Oh, the sweet irony.
What
Who
happened?
could believe that this could happen to me?
She already knows.
Oh.
I can't believe Callie died.
Are you good? Bro, are you good?
I mean,
Hey, let me check. I'll give you mouth to mouth. I'll give you
CPR!
no! You get off of me, you harpy! No!
You're dead.
I'm not gonna let. I won't let you do. I won't let you do that.
Does anybody remember the beat you have to do it
These
to?
lips are for no one.
YMCA.
taste
I'm
your
gonna
ice.
save your life.
My tracking is dead.
These lips are for nobody but yakiniku.
Okay, I'll give you not mouth to mouth, but I'll do the chest pushy thingy. Come back to us.
Oh wow, I'm alive. Ooh.
I think it takes like 5 minutes.
Oh, you did it!
Oh, wow,
She's
what a miracle.
revived.
Oh, man.
Oh,
Oh,
thank
that's
goodness.
Beautiful.
Where would Hololive be without
Guess
you?
I'm
God.
gonna do this.
I don't know.
However long you guys
It
want
goes
it.
on
endlessly.
Oh!
Yes, please.
Weenie, Wonder Weenie.
Yes, I recommended this one. Yes. Oh my God, this is fitting.
How perfect!
Fitting.
Hong Kong.
Oh my God. No, don't.
Oh!
Yes.
That's what it looked like when you played Monster Hunter.
Alright, everybody. Thank you again. We will see you guys later. Thank you for watching.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everybody.